Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders are advised that this video contains images and voices of people who have died. This video contains images that may disturb some viewers.
Prosecutor Ben Stanwix has been giving closing statements in the trial of those charged with murdering Cassius Turvey, who died after suffering a head injury in October 2022. Jack Brearley, Brodie Palmer, Mitchell Forth and Alicia Gilmore have all pleaded not guilty. Jack Brearley told the court he punched Cassius after the teenager stabbed him, but denied using a pole. Mr Stanwix said a phone call after the incident, during which the prosecution alleges Jack Brearley admitted smacking Cassius with a pole, was very powerful evidence, describing what he said as the words of a man who deliberately beat up a kid and was pleased with himself. He said it was the prosecution's case that Mr Brearley had been cut by another boy at the scene, stating Cassius never had a knife. But he also told the jury that using a knife would have been a reasonable response from Cassius, who he said must have been terrified after a pole-wielding maniac just belted one of his mates up the road. Mr Stanwix was referring to a boy on crutches who'd allegedly been assaulted before Cassius. The prosecutor asked the jury to consider Jack Brearley's state of mind. How's Jack Brearley feeling after some little punks cut his leg? More inclined to violence or less inclined? Mr Stanwix said after the incident, Jack Brearley had his hair cut to change his appearance and tried to frame an innocent man. But the prosecutor told the jury that this was not just a one-man show. He said it was collective stupidity involving boofheads with a common intention to target children. The prosecutor said a group can provide a warm, comfortable environment for really dumb ideas. Ben Stanwix called on the jury to focus on the combined force of the evidence, rather than trying to answer every question that was raised during the trial. David Webber, ABC News.